This is a classic dish that's dynamic and easy to make. To start, we need about 1.5 cups of cubed eggplant, 1.5 cups of cubed zucchini, 1.5 cups of cubed yellow squash, 1 large shallot, thinly sliced, 1 small bell pepper, thinly sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, ½ cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 sprigs of fresh thyme, and about a pint of cherry tomatoes, halved. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Then add the shallots, bell pepper, garlic, tomato paste, and thyme. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until soft, then add the tomatoes to the pan and cook another 3 to 4 minutes until the skin starts to wrinkle. Remove this mixture from the pan and set aside. Still over medium-high heat, add the 2nd tablespoon of olive oil, then add the eggplant and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the squash and zucchini and cook another 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook this, you want the squash to hold its shape. Re-add the tomato mixture and toss to combine. Top with the breadcrumbs and throw under the broiler for 4 to 5 minutes. This can be served standalone or as a side dish. I served it over fettuccine. Enjoy!